I'm Amelia. I'm the store manager at Zone Furnishings. We're a furniture wholesaler with a GMV of 10 million. We sell to a number of box store retailers as well as smaller, independently owned businesses. Our company operates exclusively in the B2B sector, but we're committed to providing our buyers with a seamless and familiar e-commerce experience. Before switching to B2B on Shopify, managing customer orders was time-consuming, which also caused issues in our sales process. Our sales team would spend a lot of time helping customers confused with placing orders, leaving them with less time to find new leads and grow the business. The bottom line was that our old tech stack was complex and expensive for our team to maintain and navigate. We needed a platform that would allow us to offer self-serve options to streamline our ordering process and have total control over our tech stack. With these priorities top of mind, we moved Zone Furnishings onto a dedicated B2B storefront on Shopify. It was straightforward to integrate our previous tech stack onto Shopify's platform. We leveraged out-of-the-box features to upgrade old platform components we wanted to replace. We were up and running quickly thanks to Shopify features like customer-specific catalogs. These let us easily display only the relevant catalogs to specific buyers based on their locations. Customizable out-of-the-box features like volume pricing and custom discounts were quick to set up. These make it easy to show clear pricing and special discounts exclusively for our B2B customers. Setting up sales reps with different permissions streamlined our backend and gave buyers the flexibility they need placing orders. For example, we can limit junior sales reps to placing draft orders while allowing managers to assign reps to locations and place orders. It was easy to set up sales reps while still empowering buyers to order what they need when they need it. If your B2B business sounds similar to ours, a dedicated store on Shopify might be the right choice for you.